Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer Outlook emails to a new computer. Now, I want to explain one thing before I show you the process. If your email is already set up as, Outlook, Gmail, Microsoft 365, or IMAP, then you don't need to export, import. You just sign into the new PC and Outlook will sync everything automatically, unless you used POP3 account. Okay, that's when you'll use this. So you come to the top left, click on File, okay? Then from here, you'll see Open and Export. Want you to come here, and then you can click here on Import/Export, okay? From here, you select Export to a file, and then you tap on Next, okay? Choose this option. And what I want you to do is choose this format, Outlook data file. It's a .pst. Click here on Next, and it'll ask you to select the mail folder you want to back up. So you'll select the ones that you want to back up, okay? And then you just go ahead and tap on Next. You just choose a location on your computer where you'll save this backup file. You can browse here, and once you're happy with it, right, just click on Finish, and you will be done. If you want, you can go ahead and click here to replace the duplicates with the items exported. But otherwise, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.